It has been known for quite some time that certain herbs can help you with weight management. Using various tea blends for weight loss is not exactly new, but with an oversaturated market, people can often get lost in all the information available, both accurate and inaccurate. With Hot Skinny Tea, you can rest assured that you are using a completely natural and organic product whose results are backed by scientific evidence. You might still have questions about the best possible ways to use it, which is why we are writing this. 1. Drink tea after your workout. Scientists have found that drinking certain variants of tea blends can help you recover from an intense workout and prevent cell damage caused by intense exercise. While most of this research centered on green tea, the same, if not better, results can be achieved with Hot Skinny Tea. In addition to this, people who drank tea regularly lost more weight than people who did not, while following the same diet and exercising program. 2. Drink tea before dinner. If you drink a cup of green tea before you have your dinner, you will be ingesting cholecystokinin. Cholecystokinin is a hormone that quells feelings of hunger. Scientists from Sweden has tested the efficiency of the tea and found that it aids in curbing appetite. They tested 2 groups of people in a controlled environment. One group drank water with their meals, while the other drank green tea. The group that was drinking tea reported having less desire to eat even when their favorite foods were on the table. They also reported feeling more satisfied after the meal, which curbed their desire for an after-meal snack. Since Hot Skinny Tea is not only rich in green tea but also packed with a number of useful herbs, it works even better than green tea alone. Drink tea before you go to sleep. Chances are that you already know that various tea blends can help you fall asleep, as can herbs like chamomile and valerian. Healthy sleeping patterns are also crucial for weight loss as they ensure that stress hormone levels are kept at a minimum. This may prevent your body from storing fat due to lack of sleep or overstressing. 3. Drink it again after waking up. Numerous studies have shown that fasting overnight, followed by drinking certain teas, such as green tea or hot skinny tea, can help you absorb optimal amounts of EGCG, which is the main component responsible for weight loss. Drinking a detox tea blend in the morning is a great way to kickstart your day on a healthy note, leaving you with all the energy and motivation you need to go about your daily routine cheerfully. Alternative uses for your favorite tea. Everybody knows how to make tea, just steep it in hot water and drink. However, there are diverse ways of using tea that may have escaped your attention. For example, even though not many people know or endorse this, you can make a salad dressing with tea that may help in melting your fat away. People who have tried this reported a 40% decrease in the desire to eat for hours after that. Another great alternative is to blend your favorite tea into a smoothie. In addition to adding valuable nutrients to your smoothie, you will also get a meal replacement that will do wonders for your health and weight management. 4. Storing and using hot skinny tea. It is important to store any tea in a dark and dry place, due to the active ingredients they contain. Storing it in a sealed package is the best way to increase the tea's shelf life. Hot skinny tea is best used in the traditional way, by steeping in hot water, although you can also make iced tea, which is great for those hot summer days. Whatever way you prefer, this groundbreaking tea blend is bound to boost your health and show results in record time. I hope you like this video. If you really like it and observe how much effective this tea is, then I recommend this tea to you. Go and check the description box. Please do like, comment and share this video, and yes, if you are new, please subscribe to this channel.